Today marks 1 week since Alyssa Hill was stabbed to death while working at the Skyline in Norwood.
That's right. In the wake of what witnesses call a vicious attack, questions keep mounting about the man who's accused in Hill's death and how he was free in the first place. WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes is live tonight after digging through court records in an effort to get some answers here, Todd.
Yeah, Ashley and Chris, specific answers to questions about who knew what with regard to Rick Wright's criminal status before last week's deadly incident in the Skyline remain elusive. But Wright's criminal history does provide pieces to a puzzle that Alyssa Hill's colleagues at this Skyline, along with her family and friends, many of whom you see right there, wish never existed. Court records show Rick Wright pleaded guilty in March of last year to causing physical harm to a Norwood police officer, a charge that began as a felony but was reduced to a misdemeanor. The judge sentenced Wright to jail with time served and ordered 1 year of house arrest, calling Wright a mentally disordered offender. 2 months later, records show Wright failed to check in with his probation officer and verify he was getting treatment. Then in December, a court document shows Wright violated probation again. A warrant was issued for his arrest, but Wright was still on the streets last week when police say he killed Alyssa Hill while she was serving customers at this Skyline Chili on Montgomery Road.
Without assigning any particular blame to any particular individual, I don't have the facts to do such a thing, but I will tell you, Todd, that the system generally is failing people, and we as a society need to take crime more seriously than we take it.
I talked to Alex Triantafilou, chair of Ohio's Republican Party, because during his time as a Hamilton County municipal judge, he presided over Rick Wright's first criminal case. That was 2006 when Wright pleaded guilty to disorderly conduct.
Just anger, a total anger at this.
Triantafilou says that's how he feels about Alyssa Hill's stabbing death during last Tuesday's busy lunch hour.
Moments like these cry out for more to be done. And this young lady, again, targeted in this horrific murder, is the victim of a system that has repeatedly failed to identify the truly dangerous. And that's a tragedy. Now, we've requested body camera footage from Wright's arrest last year here in Norwood for allegedly hurting a police officer. We'll share a copy of that video as soon as we obtain it. And meanwhile, the fundraiser at this Skyline here on Montgomery Road, it continues. All this week, this restaurant donating 20% of proceeds to a trust that will go to take care of Alyssa Hill's 2 young children. For now, reporting live tonight here in Norwood, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.